Yeah, so if there's bubbles in here, it'll mess up the reading of that little floaty triangle thing inside of her gauge there.
It'll float the triangle.
Right, so you got to get all the bubbles out. You just want water in there. I still see bubbles in there.
Yeah. All right, that's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I got before. It's about 30. It was a little lower.
It was last week, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was last week, but I think before when I did it, I took more time to get the bubbles off, and it was like 37. So.
All right, cool. And then we just go and report that reading to their website.
And the directions are all in like the little package of things they give
And so there's volunteers all up and down the river here that are doing the same thing, you know, so they can get different readings and get a better picture of, you know, a more whole picture of what's going on in the lagoon.